Hey everybody, if your skin is screaming for help, it's about time you listen. We're ditching those chemical-laden creams and potions for something much better. Natural detox drinks that'll have you glowing from the inside out. Get ready to discover 9 incredible elixirs that'll banish blemishes, kickstart your skin's radiance, and leave you looking fresher than a daisy. Right, first up, we have a drink that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, turmeric, the spice of life. And believe me, this golden wonder does more than just flavor your curry. This is your secret weapon against acne, pimples, and all those nasty skin woes. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which helps calm redness, reduce swelling, and fight off free radicals that damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. To incorporate turmeric into your daily routine, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of warm milk or water. For extra flavor, add honey or maple syrup and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Next, we're cracking open a coconut. Forget those sugary sports drinks. This is nature's gift that helps replenish lost fluids, keeping your skin plump, supple, and youthful looking. Packed with electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals, it's like a tall drink of hydration for your skin. We're talking sodium, potassium, vitamin A, protein, iron, calcium, vitamin C, the lot. It also contains cytokinins, plant hormones that promote cell growth and regeneration, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Now let's blend up some magic with a green smoothie. We're talking spinach, kale, and a splash of apple juice. Spinach and kale are loaded with vitamin A, C, and E, which are essential for skin repair and brightness. The apple juice adds a touch of sweetness and provides an extra dose of antioxidants. This green goodness not only cleanses your system, but also boosts your skin's natural radiance. It's like giving your skin a fresh start every day. Let's talk about a classic detox drink that's been a staple in many cultures for centuries. Lemon and honey water. Lemon packed with vitamins C, B3, and B2, it's like a supercharged moisturizer and has collagen giving our skin its structure and elasticity, keeping it firm and youthful. Honey is a natural humectant, attracting and retaining moisture, and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. To make this refreshing drink, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and add a teaspoon of raw, organic honey. Stir well and enjoy first thing in the morning for best results. This dynamic duo creates a powerhouse drink that can help brighten your complexion and even out skin tone. Let's get serious about detoxification with cucumber and spinach juice. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and contain silica, which improves skin elasticity and strength. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron. Vitamin A is essential for healthy skin cell growth, while vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Cucumber and spinach are like little sponges, soaking up all the toxins in your body, leaving your skin crystal clear. It's like a scrub brush for your insides, helping everything move along nicely. And don't forget the fiber. Next on the list is carrot and beetroot juice, which helps banish blemishes. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body, promoting clear and even skin tone. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It tackles pigmentation like a pro, leaving your skin even-toned and radiant. Combining these ingredients creates a detoxifying drink that can cleanse your liver, purify your blood, and improve overall skin health. The fiber content in both carrots and beetroots aids in digestion, essential for clear and healthy skin. To make this juice, blend 2 carrots with 1 beetroot and a cup of water. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. And the best part? It's incredibly hydrating, so you can say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. Ready for a tangy treat? It's like a mini facial in a glass. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage. Grapefruits are another great source, bursting with vitamin C, crucial for collagen production. The citric acid in both tomatoes and grapefruits acts as a natural exfoliant, a trio that works wonders in brightening, tightening, and smoothing your skin. To make this juice, blend 2 tomatoes with 1 grapefruit and a cup of water. Aloe Vera, the plant of miracles, is up next. This soothing elixir is like a first aid kit for your skin, calming inflammation, healing blemishes, and leaving your complexion glowing. And hold on, there's more. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making it a real winner for overall health. Finally, let's talk about a drink that's widely recognized for its numerous health benefits, including its incredible benefits for the skin green tea. It contains polyphenols, particularly catechins, which help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. One key catechin, EGCG, has potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for acne and eczema. Green tea also contains amino acids like L-theanine, which have calming effects on the body, so it's brilliant for calming redness and irritation. To enjoy the king of antioxidants, simply brew a cup of green tea and enjoy it hot or cold. There you have it, so ditch those sugary sodas and artificial juices and embrace these natural elixirs. The perfect way to nourish your body and let your inner radiance shine through. So go on, raise a glass to glowing skin,